बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम मेरे यूट्यूब फैमिली फ्रेंड्स ब्रदर सिस्टर व्यूवर्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Peace be upon you all. May Allah bless you always. Today I bring very beautiful vlog or video for you. In this video you could see handmade jewelry, very beneficial, very decorative, and designer jewelry, clothing, handmade shoes, and all the ornament sets home. As well as I'm going to show you some cooking. In this cooking you could see I put all the ingredient on the worktop. There are some potatoes which I cut like long slices like chips, onions, too, garlic, ginger, and some potatoes. Here I roasted the aubergine, bengan. If you roast this on a low flame and the top skin take off, and then it's going to be look like this, become very soft and cooked inside. Now all the other ingredients you're going to make and put this in and roast it more. Look, all the ingredients are very healthy. The aubergines are good in winter. So here you could see we grinding fresh turmeric. Fresh turmeric is very good. It's antiseptic, is herb, very beneficial for blood cleanser as well as blood pressure, sugar, or skin care and hair improvement. There's lots of benefits. And do with your heart and soul at home. Use the traditional ways, and like I'm using a pacer to grind the ginger, going to make more tasty food. If you use organic or original things, it tastes way better than the artificial or machine made, because the taste or smell or stay in. Now what important thing you can see I'm doing, I'm using clay pot and I'm putting in mustard oil. Mustard oil is very good for blood pressure, sugar, weight losing, skin care, all the things. And clay made pot is the best dish you can cook in. This is very good. No any side effect of a clay pot. It is little bit hard to cook in, but it's best pot you can cook. Number 1 is clay pot, number 2 is steel and steel, number 3 is aluminium, number 4 or 5th is non-stick. Non-stick is a hazard, is problem, people should stop using it. Now you could see there is a fresh turmeric, and now I'm going to grind this garlic. This garlic need to be grinded as turmeric and ginger. When you grind it, you can smell, and when you cook, the smell is so awesome. You just spread everywhere in your house and you wish to eat. Not just the foods look nice, food smell nice, food taste nice, and with benefit of this food. So try slowly but steady. Now this is a fresh turmeric I'm going to grind. As you could see, first I will show you how to do it, the main ingredients. Now we will showing you step by step what are we doing and how we are doing and how we're going to cook. So this is the ginger I'm going to put in. First garlic, then fresh turmeric, then ginger. Even you can put the green chilies if you want. Now our onion is light brown. We can use all this ingredient in and start cooking. You first make the onion go a little bit brown, then you put the ginger, garlic and turmeric in to keep the best energy and vitamins and all the calories in, as well as the best smell. So you could see we try to take every bit out and put in the clay pot to cook well. Even you can put a little bit of water in and just drain this in your handy, in your pot, because it's going to be tasty. Or either you grind the chutney with it, the taste going to go in the chutney, which is going to be very good. Now you could see we using this clay pot and cook all this ingredient. When it's nicely cooked, then we're going to show you the next bit. We are showing, cooking is art. Cooking is an art and a fun to cook, and moms feel very happy and very beloved when they cook for their children and family. Now we're going to add the potatoes to roast, because potato need to be roasted a little bit before we add other ingredients. We haven't put chilies and masalas yet. We just used onion, garlic, turmeric and ginger. Now we add potatoes and keep roasting it. When it's cooked through, then we're going to add other ingredients. The achar masala, if you add in, it's going to look like it's going to be pickle. I call pickle meat or something. But if you don't want to use, it's up to you. It's just optional, but everything have a beneficial. This is our masala pot, where we have some salt, chilies, garam masala, zira and all other ingredients. Because we want to show to you, that's why putting all the ingredient in the plate, so you can see the quantity and you see what we are using. Otherwise we can put directly. This is a kalonji. This is black seeds, which we use for pickles. But if you put in onion seeds in a simple way, which you use in a pickle, as well as you can use in this pot. Here we're using zira, and all the ingredients we're going to put in, we're going to show to you. And this is the grounded ginger. We put fresh ginger already. It is good for your stomach and good beneficial. Now all this ingredient going in for aubergine curry, because we put all the ingredient up to potato. Now we add masala and we're going to roast more. You've seen us how much oil we used, and now if the oil start coming out of the vegetable, that means it's ready to cook. Now we're taking a big open pot and we're going to cook this aubergine little bit more and try to crush into small piece of paste. So when it's nice paste, we could put in a grinder, but grinder make it very smooth and become tasteless. We do not want to purify. We just want to little chunk becomes small. And this is low calories, as well as bring the blood pressure down, and the people diabetic people with the sugar problem, this aubergine control the sugar, as well as if they got less iron in their body. This is a source of iron, is very, very good. So please start eating more fruit and vegetables rather than just eating meat, to take care of your good health. And may God Almighty bless you. Now we made this mashed little bit. Add some tomatoes and green chilies, which look beautiful, and we're going to roast it. Because this clay pot was small, we have a big karahi call, and we are cooking in this, because how much we could cook in this small handi do not balance on this gas cooker. It balance only on wood clove. So we are going to roast and cook it well. Once or twice we made this recipe before, and everybody love it and ask to make again. So we are making. Our children also love this recipe, So when you tried and tested at home, going to taste it, you're going to appreciate it. Tastes so yummy. You just want to keep eating. You can eat with the chapati. You could eat with the rice, or you can eat on their own. Now all the vegetables going to be added in back, so it cook thoroughly. I hope you've been enjoying our cooking video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel Desi Bibi UK and share it with your family and friends. Stay blessed always. Keep happy, keep healthy, keep moving. Do your jobs by self. Do not ask other people or depend on others. Helping hand is better than asking for help. खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली. खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली. जिसको ना हो ख्याल अपनी हालत आप बदलने का. जिसको ना हो ख्याल अपनी हालत आप बदलने का. खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली. जिसको ना हो ख्याल अपनी हालत आप बदलने का. God Almighty never changed the situation of the nations which do not try their best to change their own situations, because God help those who help themselves. You must help yourself and help others. First of all, you need to look after your good health, because this is given by God. It's God's mercy. He gives us life and health, and we should look after, and we should do good deeds with this good health and help others as well. Giving hand always better than taking hand. And at least we should do all our jobs by self, and we should be proud. Here you could see we have roasted sweet potatoes, and they look very nice and very attractive. Treat yourself like a king and queen at home. And there is a hot tea which you're going to be served with, and you're going to enjoy. If the food look nice to see, presentation is good, it's going to taste good and is going to be beneficial. And one thing I would like to share with you, when you eat your food, eat slowly, take your time, chew well, do not eat in hurry. Do not watch videos and social media while you're eating. Look at your food. Eat from your right hand, your side, and just eat. When you feel like you want more, just stop. One place in your stomach, keep for air, one for water, and one for